Hello everyone, this is your Balbir. Welcome to my channel Balbir San. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers and friends for watching my previous video of IT career growth and IT career opportunities. Those who have not watched, I request to please watch the above video so that it will be easy for you to understand what we are going to speak today. In today's video, I am going to share my thoughts about a very important department called sales planning. In India, fiscal year starts from April to March, that is 12 months fiscal year. For ease of understanding, I'll take a case study. Let us say a company ABC which manufactures air cons, washing machine and TV. So now for this company, now what we need to do for coming fiscal year, so that is how much sales need to be done for this particular company ABC. So this need to be decided. For this beginning of the year, that is prior to April, somewhere in December or January or February or March, so the boss of the company, the head of the company, that is the CEO or managing director, so along with his board members, when I say board members, they are like joint managing directors or any directors, and CFO. CFO means chief finance officer of the company, manufacturing head, sales head, planning head. Like this, there will be key members which comprise of the board. So all the board members, they will come to a meeting room and they will discuss what should be the sales target for this particular company ABC for the coming fiscal year. So now how they decide this target is based on the history. Now let us say this company ABC, in the previous fiscal year they have achieved 5,000 crores, and historically in past 10 years, every year, let us say this company's growth is 15 to 20%. So based on this history, so all the board members, they decide for the coming fiscal year, let us fix the target for 20% above 5,000 crores which has been achieved last year. So 5,000 crores plus 20%, that is 1,000 crores, which becomes 6,000 crores. So the board members, they decide for next fiscal year, let the sales target be 6,000 crores. So now after this decision happens, so now it becomes a responsibility of sales planning department how to handle this sales plan of 6,000 crores. So board members, they handle this responsibility to sales planning department and they leave the meeting room. So now what happens, the sales planning department, so now they will break down these 6,000 crores, so based on the products they manufacture and based on the region they have. For example, this 6,000 crores, they will split into 4 regions like North region, South region, East region and West region. They will split 6,000 crores so into these 4 regions. Means each region they have to achieve 1,500 crores. So this is a first split they do. Now next, there are products. As I said in the case study, this company, they manufactures aircon, washing machine and TV. So now for North region, as I said, 1,500 crores and 3 products. Again this 1,500 crores they will split into product wise. Means for aircons 500 crores, for washing machine 500 crores and for TV 500 crores. That is for North region For each product, 500 crores need to be achieved for this fiscal year. Likewise, for other 3 regions also, so product wise 6,000 crores target has been fixed. So like this, the planning department, they will fix the sales plan. Okay, now it is very clear, right? So now time has come to do the action. So now, but whereas this one is an annual plan. So 6,000 crores, so split into 1,500 crores, then split into 500 crores for each product. This is an annual plan. So now this annual plan, we have to split to monthly. So now one time the annual plan is done. So then after that it is on the paper. So now this annual plan is divided into monthly plan, that is again that 500 crores, that is north region aircon 500 crores, they will split into 12 times. So that comes to close to 41.67 crores. So that is for each region, each product every month have to achieve 41.67 crores. So this is the sales plan. So now overall to say, now the sales plan becomes each region wise, so each product wise, monthly they have to achieve 41.67 crores. So this is the sales plan. So this everything is there on the paper and it is signed off by the board members. Now who will achieve this? So now to achieve this, there is a department called sales department. So this sales plan will be handed over to sales department. So now when I say sales department, again, so it is the salesman or the humans are assigned to achieve so this sales plan. So now for north region, east region, south region, west region, for each region they will assign one sales manager, let us say. So now each sales manager's responsibility is to achieve that 1,500 crores. And for now, for each salesman, they will assign a team of 3 salesmen. So now let us say in north region, aircon is sold by one salesman, washing machine is sold by another salesman, and TV is sold by the third salesman, like this. So the 3 salesmen under one sales manager, they will go into the market and do the sales and achieve monthly 41.67 crores. So this is how the sales plan is fixed, and to execute this sales plan, the sales man and sales manager are assigned. So now how the salesman will achieve this target, I will be explaining in the next video. But for today, let us map what is the role of IT in this particular discussion. Now sales plan, everything is there on the paper. Now they will give to IT saying that please manage this sales plan in the system or in the application. So now first the IT application guy role comes here, the IT functional guy. He will take this sales plan and he will prepare a document. So and he will design a screen saying that key, so using this screen, this sales plan should be input into the system. So now then he will hand over this document to the IT technical person. The IT technical person, he will take the document and he will start developing the application, means he will develop a screen. So he will put a column like region, then product, so then sales target, so to key in. So he may use Java program or any other development tool or any other DevOps so programs he may use, and he will develop the screen. So then functional guy, he will key in the data into this screen, and the data goes into the database. The data is stored in the database. The users, that is the sales planning guys, they want to see this on a physical paper. So means we need to create a report. Again, the functional guy, he will design how the report should look, and the technical guy, he will develop, and he will print the report, and he will give to the sales planning guys. So here what I want to say is, first the IT functional guy, he will design the screen and he will design the report, and the technical guy, he will do the development of the screen, development of the report, and the data is stored in the database. The DBA, he manages the database, right? Now to take care the security of the data, so the infrastructure security guy, so he will put the security so for these systems, right? Now sometimes the sales planning guy, he says ki I don't want a report, can you send me the report by email? Then this email configuration to be done, then a email engineer is involved. So you see, for this simple sales plan, there are 5 IT guys so who are involved to take this particular operation. So that is how the sales planning, so we have discussed, and how this sales planning is mapped to the IT and how it is managed in IT, we have discussed. So in the next video, I will be sharing with you how the salesperson will do the action and they will achieve this sales target. We will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you so much, and bye bye. If you like the video and the information, please subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please share with your friends so that it will be useful for them, and please like the video too. Thank you very much. Bye bye.